Welcome to the best picks. The best straight razor strop is probably one of the most important tools for any straight razor user. It's the secret weapon that keeps your blade sharp and ready for a smooth shave. But what exactly is a strop, and why is it so important? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of straight razor strops, exploring their purpose, the different types available, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Leather Strop Kit. This classic bamboo-based leather strop is built with high-quality materials, making it lightweight and durable. The non-slip rubber base, premium cowhide leather, and classic design make it an ideal choice for professionals to keep their tools razor-sharp. This sharpening strop block uses premium-quality genuine cowhide leather. Using the included green honing compound, you can quickly achieve a true mirror polish on your blade edges. After sharpening, finish with this strop for an extremely sharp edge. Its lightweight and durable design, along with a large stropping leather area, makes it easy to hold without strain. You can also secure it on a table, and the non-slip rubber base ensures safe use. Applying the green compound evenly will help polish your blade edges quickly. This strop is designed to hone all your tools to a razor-sharp edge quickly. It can sharpen chef's knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, woodworking chisels, straight razors, axes, and more. Your complete leather strop kit comes with a premium quality leather strop, green polishing compound, and a detailed ebook. The ebook is filled with tips and tricks that will appeal to every skill level. What we like. This strop uses premium cowhide leather and includes a green polishing compound, ensuring a mirror-like finish on your blades. It's also versatile, suitable for various tools. If you are looking for a complete kit to achieve the sharpest edge on your knives, razors, and chisels, this is the one for you. What people say. This strop is high quality and well built. This strop does in fact finish your blade to a mirror finish, which just screams sharp. It is a good size, does not move around while you use it. Number 4. GENTS 2.5x 23.5 Straight Razor Leather Strop. This strop is designed to keep your blades incredibly sharp. It features a generous stropping area, making the sharpening process safer and more convenient. Looking for a great gift? This strop is perfect for the man in your life. It helps them look and feel their best with a sharp, clean shave. Crafted from high-quality cowhide leather, this strop ensures a smooth and effective sharpening experience. It will help you achieve a superior edge on your blades. This strop isn't just for razors, it's also great for sharpening knives, kitchen cutlery, and woodworking tools. It comes with a sharpening canvas and swivel. This product is used by professional barbers across the USA. We are committed to providing high-quality products and friendly service, ensuring a comfortable experience every time you use it. What we like. With its wider stropping area, this strop provides more convenience and safety during sharpening. Made with high-quality cowhide leather, it ensures a smoother shave. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for the man in your life who appreciates a close shave, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I am very satisfied with its design and performance. It works great, better than I thought it would for the price. The leather strop is smooth without that slick artificial finish, and the cloth portion is heavy-duty canvas. Number 3. Grandslam Leather Strop for Razor Sharpening. This strop is perfect for straight razors, knives, and scissors. It's designed to meet all your sharpening needs. With this, you can keep your blades in top condition. This strop is a professional choice, restoring blades to like-new sharpness. It's designed to give you the best possible results. You'll notice the difference immediately. The strop is made with high-quality cowhide and canvas. It measures 20.4 inches in length and 2.55 inches wide. This combination ensures durability and effective sharpening. Featuring a stainless steel pivot hook ring, sharpening becomes easier than ever. This design simplifies the process. It's a user-friendly tool for everyone. Start your shave with a sharp razor and this stropping kit. It will help you keep your blade sharp and strong for years. This ensures a smooth and comfortable shave every time. What we like. This strop is great for straight razors, knives, and scissors. It restores blades to like-new sharpness. If you want a reliable strop that can handle all your sharpening needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works great, and with a little honing paste it finishes my knives and makes them extremely sharp. It can be folded and put away in its box for easy storage as well. Takes a little practice, but once you get, it definitely puts a fine edge on your knife. Number 2. Naked Armor Leather Strop, Razor Sharpener. For a close shave at home or on the road, this cowhide stropping leather keeps your straight razor sharp. It's also great for sharpening knives. This is a must-have for anyone who appreciates a sharp blade. Start your wet shaving with an excellent straight razor and this sharpener. This leather strop keeps the blade sharp and strong for years. The solid brass hooks ensure durability, and it's easy to use. Never suffer the pain of a dull razor again. This leather blade sharpener brings your razor's edge back to life quickly. It's a simple and effective way to maintain a perfect shave. This leather strop is the perfect gift for the stylish man. Give the gift of looking and feeling good, helping them feel irresistibly handsome with their sharp straight razor. It's a thoughtful and practical present. We are confident you'll love this straight razor sharpening strop. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we offer a refund or exchange. Thousands of men have been happy with their awesome looking faces thanks to this product. What we like. This strop is made from high-quality cowhide leather and features durable brass hooks. It's designed to keep your razor sharp for years. If you're looking for a strop with a lifetime guarantee and a promise of a great shave, consider this one. What people say. Well made. Exactly what I expected. Works great. They're very good straps. Nice strop that does the job. I like the feel of the draw. The leather is rather supple, which I like. The blue linen is perfect for cleaning the blade prior to stropping. Number 1. G.B.S 2x18 Leather Strop. This is the G.B.S leather strop, crafted for precision sharpening. It's designed to bring your blades back to life with ease. This strop ensures a smooth and consistent sharpening experience. Made from genuine black cowhide leather, this strop offers a premium feel. The leather provides the perfect surface for honing your tools. It's durable and built to last. With a size of 2 inches by 18 inches, it provides ample surface area. This size makes it suitable for various tools and blades. You'll find it easy to use. Perfect for straight razors, chisels, and knives, this strop is versatile. Whether you're a barber, woodworker, or DIY enthusiast, it's an essential tool for you. Due to its lightweight and durable design, it's easy to hold. You can also pin it down on a working table. This strop is built to withstand regular use. Never suffer through a dull razor again. Simply strop it with this leather strop and watch the edge come back to life. It's the perfect solution for a smooth shave. What we like. Crafted from genuine black cowhide leather, this strop ensures a smooth and consistent sharpening experience. Its ideal size makes it easy to handle and use. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use strop for your straight razor, chisels, or knives, this is the one for you. What people say. Simple to use and very effective for knives. The metal clip is sturdy and the leather is long enough to get a good, clean stroke in both directions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.